Okay, there's more breaking news coming in. Give me a moment. Let me just take this quick breaking news that's coming in. Rana to be taken out of the airport in about 28 minutes from now at 8 o'clock. He'll be taken out of court and he will undergo trial at the special NIA court in Patiala House in the heart of the national capital. And I want the whole world to actually witness Indian justice system in all its majesty when a Pakistani Canadian terrorist is brought to justice to face trial. We're showing you those live images from the Palam technical area of the Delhi airport. This is the high security Air Force side of the airport, and this is where Tahawwur Rana will be brought out from and taken to Patiala House Court. Now, from what sources are telling India Today, there's a detailed medical examination that is happening and is also to happen because this man, he was trying to claim that he's very unwell, and sending him to India is like signing his death warrant. Imagine the man who signed the death warrant of so many people, 166 died, is now shaking like a leaf, and that just shows you the true face of these bullies in Pakistan. The moment you tighten the screws on them, they bleat like lambs, and that we've seen even in counter-terror operations in Jammu and Kashmir that I've had the privilege of reporting for over 3 decades now. But I want to bring in Nalini Sharma for more on the story. Nalini, I want to understand now the process that is followed. It's a medical examination first and then presented in front of a magistrate or this learned judge after that medical report is in front of him so that he can examine that and then question the accused or the suspect. Is that the procedure now?
Absolutely, Gaurav, that is the procedure, but how that procedure will be followed, which means that where exactly will NIA be getting the medical test done is something that we still don't know. Maybe there are doctors already present at the airport, or maybe there'll be doctors at the NIA headquarters who will be called in, because remember, he is a high security prisoner, so it is a security threat moving him around too much. So they're going to try and minimize the movement as much as possible to stop the exposure of Tahawwur Rana, at least until the time he is officially in NIA custody as granted by the court. So it remains to be seen how soon these procedural formalities can be completed and he can be produced before the court. What we can break to our viewers, the confirmed information that we have, is both the prosecution lawyers as well as the defense lawyers are both present inside the court. Tahawwur Rana will be represented by Advocate Piyush Sachdeva, who's just entered the court a few minutes back. Advocate Sachdeva is a lawyer that has been appointed by the Delhi State Legal Services Authority, which means that he is a lawyer that has been appointed only for this remand hearing that is going to happen today. His entire defense will not be led by Piyush Sachdeva unless Tahawwur Rana decides so. We are also not clear whether or not Advocate Sachdeva has got a chance to meet Tahawwur Rana yet. In all likelihood, he's not spoken to him, and it will only happen once Tahawwur Rana has been produced before the court that Advocate Sachdeva might get a few minutes to interact with his client and to figure out what kind of defense should be put forth before the court regarding his remand custody, because Tahawwur Rana from his side at least is going to try and challenge the custody to as much extent as possible.
Okay, so that due process of law will be followed in a civil court for the world to see.